In this quick and simple tutorial, we'll show you exactly how to turn on comments on TikTok so you can engage with your audience and build a stronger TikTok community. So if you've accidentally disabled comments in the settings and now people can't comment on your videos, or you've simply changed your mind, then follow my steps. The process is absolutely the same for both iOS and Android devices, and the first step is to open the TikTok application on your device, and then we're going to go over to our TikTok profile. Once you get to your profile, we want to go to our TikTok settings, so we'll tap on the 3 horizontal lines right here, and then select this settings and privacy option. Now when we get to our TikTok settings, we'll simply open this privacy section. When you open the privacy settings, they're gonna look something like this, and you will see the interactions section with the messaging option, tags and mentions, and of course the comments. So tap on the comments. And then open the comments one more time, which should be at the very top of our screen. This menu will pop up and it says who can comment on your videos and stories. We will see 3 different options in here. We have the no one, the followers that follow us back, and everybody. If you want to enable the comments for your TikTok videos, you can select either the everybody, so even the people that don't follow you can't comment on your videos, or you can select the second option, which enables only the people that follow you on TikTok to comment on your videos. You can make your selection and that's it. That is how we can enable the comments on TikTok for both iOS and Android devices. If you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like on this video, and I'll see you in the next one.